I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up an account with Regions Bank, follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Regions Bank website. Go to the official Regions Bank website. Look for the Open an Account button, usually found on the homepage. Step 2. Choose the type of account. Select the type of account you want to open, such as a checking or savings account. Each option will have different features and benefits. Step 3. Fill out the application form. Complete the online application form with your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. Step 4. Provide identification. Upload or enter the required identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport. This step is crucial for verifying your identity. Step 5. Review and submit. Review all the information you provided and submit your application. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you don't, check your spam folder. Setting up your account with Regions Bank is straightforward, and following these steps will help you get it done quickly. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service. Good luck!